My name is Cynthia Krause, and I've been with Baylor a long time. My relationship first started in 1990 when I came to work at the foundation for the first time. And I worked there for 6 years. And in 1992, I was pregnant with triplets. Benjamin was 1 pound 5 ounces, Catherine was 1 pound 11 ounces, and Abigail was 2 pounds. Unfortunately, after that happy time, Catherine died and Benjamin died after 5 days. But Abigail survived and thrived, and she was in the hospital 2.5 more months. I would have given Baylor anything for what they did for me and my babies. They cried with me when I cried. They weren't just people who said, this is our job. It was a calling, obviously, because they were my family. They became my family. I left Baylor when Abigail was 4. When she was going into the 9th grade, I was contacted about coming back, and I couldn't resist it. I had this place in my heart, and I wanted to go back and make a difference like Baylor had made a difference for me. I've been involved in celebrating women for years. I've helped women who had breast cancer when they come to Baylor, and still, I missed a mammogram. I had gone 2 years and not had one, which is ridiculous. But it's normal. Whether it's because we get busy, whether it's because we're afraid, I don't know, there are a million reasons, but it just happens. After 2 years, went in and there's a little shadow, we need to look at something. I didn't think much about it, but they said, well, we need to look further. When I got that phone call and they told me I had cancer, I was scared, but not as scared as I would have expected because I knew these people. The hardest thing for me when I found out I had breast cancer was to think about calling Abigail because she was about to be married. My doctor told me that I could have genetic testing, and so I said I want it tomorrow. So at least it took that burden off, that when I told her, I could already tell her, baby, I did testing, and this has nothing to do with you, and I'm going to be fine. I knew I was in the right place. I had no doubt about it. So when we say Baylor's here for you, that's not a cliche to me. I go back to Abigail when she was born and my breast cancer journey. It's not a cliche, it is true. My passion has grown because not only did I have breast cancer, but since November of 2020, 4 of my friends have been diagnosed with breast cancer. It's so important for us to keep working and moving this cause forward and educating women and having them get their mammograms. Now that I've been through this journey, I get to tell women, you're helping me, you helped me. And what I have learned, the doctors and nurses have learned through me, this will continue. I can't even explain to you what Baylor means to me. It's my home. It's been my life's work, my ministry, and I had 3 children there. And I had breast cancer, and I'm a survivor, and my daughter got married, and there's so many people that I love there. Doctors, nurses, I have watched them work from 1990 and now to 2021. And I can't think of any place I would rather continue my journey with others than there.